And when you click on New, you're going to see a whole bunch of options. The option you want is Google Sheets. Google Sheets is kind of like Excel. And it'll open up a document that looks like this. And to create your data tables, you're going to have an XY axis just like you do in the table in Google Docs. Let's say that you're going to call this Trial 1. You're going to call the next one Trial 2. Let's say we have 5 trials altogether. And you can color this in. Give it a color by going over here to this color palette right here, fill color. Choose a color lighter than you normally would choose. I'm going to choose blue. Let's say that this data table, first of all, give it a title. Engine size versus VW speed. And that'll be our title. The manipulated variable can go along the top bar here. So the engine size is the thing that we're changing. Let's say that we have a 350 cubic centimeter engine here. We have a 450 cubic centimeter engine here. And a 550 cubic centimeter engine here. We can also color this bar in using the color palette. And we can color our data in as well. I'm going to give my data block a color, maybe a light green. And there we have it. Now, let's say that you're done entering the data. And in the title, you probably want to put the units for speed in miles per hour. So all the numbers in here are miles per hour. Let's say we're going 45 on that trial, 46 there, 44 there, 43 there, and 47 there. Let's say here we go 55, 54, 57, 53, and 52. And on the fastest one, 65, something like, whoa, don't want to go that fast. And so there's our data table. When I'm ready to import this into my Google Doc, all I have to do is select the first cell right there, scroll down, and I'm doing that by holding the Shift key and the arrow down and the arrow over. And then I want to press Command C if it's a Mac. And I'm going to go to my Google Doc. Let's say that this is my Google Doc. This is actually your homework sheet. But let's say that this is your Google Doc. And go to where you want to put it, which is in the results section. The first thing that you see when you go to any results section is the data tables. And you press Command V. And there it is. Simple as that. You do have to give it a title. Okay. Engine speed in mph versus engine size. Okay. You do have to give it a new title because it doesn't import the title. Now the beauty of doing this in Google's Sheets is that you can manipulate this data. So if I wanted to calculate the average of all these here and put the averages down here, I could go up to this function over here and select averages and put that number down here. I'll show you how to do that in a later video. Okay? Simple as that, guys. All right. Any questions?
Are you changing color again?